1925 was another unremarkable year in world history. The major European powers signed the Locarno Pact. This agreement confirmed the current borders of Europe and guaranteed that all disputes would be resolved by peaceful means. The German Weimar Republic, having survived the attacks from the left and the right the year before, seemed strengthened. The center parties in the Reichstag were committed to democracy. Field Marshal Hindenburg was elected president of Germany. Meanwhile, Hitler, who had recently been released from prison, began to reorganize the Nazi Party. He published Mein Kampf, a combined autobiography and plan for the future. Mein Kampf telegraphs Hitler's intentions for the future, including his plans for the Jews. In the Soviet Union, Stalin's major rival from power, Leon Trotsky, was ousted from the Soviet War Council. In China, Sun Yat-sen died and was succeeded by Chiang Kai-shek. In the United States, Tennessee banned the teaching of evolution. Later in the year, a young high school teacher, John Scopes, was indicted for teaching evolution. Despite being defended by Clarence Darrow, Scopes was found guilty and fined $100.